how are you? I hope everything's great with you and welcome back to another video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. Recently, I launched an update for my character design course. This update is all about creating props and accessories to your characters. So I thought of giving you a small taste of it by drawing a few accessories for my character, Jean, in this video. I'll also leave a link in the description of my character design course with a discount for you, so be sure to check that out. Alright, you know the deal. Grab your drink and snack, and let's draw! When drawing anything for my characters, I like to start by brainstorming a few ideas, thinking about possible accessories and props that would make sense for my character. This doesn't need to be a big list of items. 3 items can be enough. So if something doesn't work very well, I have something else to work on. I also don't like to overdo it with accessories, since then it makes the character too complex to draw, and I like to keep things simple. After brainstorming, it's time to grab some references for inspiration. I could just start drawing whatever comes to mind, but I believe that seeing a few examples beforehand helps us visualize the things we want to draw better. And we might also find new ideas we didn't thought about. I usually use Pinterest for this, since I can have different boards for each of my characters, and well, I have a place to find everything I need. Alright, now all I have to do is gather everything in my canvas and go for a few sketches. It's good to have more than one option or idea for each accessory, since, again, some things we have in mind might not work as we expected. So having a backup can be very helpful. If one item doesn't work, then you can try another one. After the sketches and doing a few versions of them, all I have to do is choose the ones I like best and do a final version of them with clean line art and colors. Jean actually used to have a few props, but since it made her design a bit too complicated, I left them behind some time ago. But I felt like drawing something new for her and maybe simpler to draw. Maybe this time I get something that I will enjoy to draw more often. For example, she did have a big hat. It was really huge and I really liked that, but drawing it in different perspectives was a bit too difficult to manage. Plus, I don't really love drawing hats. Although I've been doing that a bit more often, it's really not my favorite thing. I also really liked the potion belt that she used to wear, and these are things I'm still considering adding to her design, but maybe simplifying them. Another thing that I want to tell you and remind you, and in a way myself as well, is that even though you can create props and accessories for your characters, that doesn't mean you have to draw those every single time. Some items can be situational, or honestly, if you're not feeling like drawing them, don't. Sometimes they're not that important. It's your character and you choose what to do with them. As for colors, I like to follow the current color scheme if I can, choosing similar tones so it all looks balanced. But there are different ways to go about it, and it can really depend on the items as well. And I do talk about it a lot in the course update I mentioned. In this case, I'll try to go for the same kind of colors as my character, maybe just change some tones, a different color here and there just for an accent, but trying to go with the same color scheme. this part is finished. I have all my props done, but I want to very quickly draw Jean with her new props. But before that, let's take a small break. Get a snack, drink some water, and stretch your muscles. Remember that breaks are essential to your health while drawing. Even if you're really focused in what you're doing, try to set up an alarm every hour or so you can remember to take a break and stretch a bit. I also like to use these breaks to do something else for a while. It really depends on how long my break is, but it's a good opportunity to go for other hobbies sometimes. For example, this is a great opportunity for you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So thank you so much if you do. And once that's done, let's go back to it. Well, Jean is almost finished with her new and shiny accessories, and you got to see how I create new props for my characters. And I wanted to know, do you like adding details and accessories to your characters, or prefer to keep their designs as simple as possible? Personally, I prefer to create my characters as simple as possible so they're easy to draw. However, giving them accessories can make them a bit more unique and maybe add some more information about them to the viewer. So what about you? Tell me in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching the video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos. Remember, there's a link in the description for my drawing courses if you're interested in them, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!